Assalamu alaikum. This is Naveed Akram. In this video, we are going to discuss question number 10 from October-November 2020, paper 1, variant 1. A length of thread is attached to a lamina at point P as shown in the diagram. The lamina is free to rotate about point Q. The tension in the thread is F. What is the moment of F about Q? Okay, so the moment is force multiplied by the perpendicular distance of the force from the pivot. And in this question, the examiner wants to know whether you know what is perpendicular distance or not. So let's see how to find the perpendicular distance. Okay, so this is our force and this is our pivot. We have to find the perpendicular distance. To find the perpendicular distance, we draw the line of action of force, that is, we extend this line. Now this is the line of action of the force. Now we have to find that distance which is perpendicular to this line. If we see this one, the angle between this distance, the line joining the point Q, which is the pivot, to this point, this angle is not 90 degree. So this is not the perpendicular distance. Now let's talk about distance x. Distance x is from this point to this point, whereas we need the distance from the pivot to the line of action of force, the perpendicular distance from the pivot to the force. So x can also not be taken to find the moment. Now let's talk about w. Again, w is not the distance from the pivot to the force. Now y. If you see y is the perpendicular distance from the pivot to the force. See, this is the line which joins point Q to the line of action of force, and you can see that this is the angle of 90 degree. So the perpendicular distance from the force to the pivot is y. So the moment will be equal to F into y. Option C.